Lesotho, the mountainous kingdom, stands proudly on the roof of southern Africa. There is a picture of warmth and joy amid the beautiful landscape. Rural homes majestically perched on mountain tops, children running freely in the fenceless land, sincere greetings to passers-by making one feel as if returning home. But behind this captivating picture sits a reality of serious challenges. Most of the 2 million people here live in poverty, with limiting education facilities, low employment opportunities, and the devastating effects of the HIV epidemic. Vodacom Lesotho believes in the potential of Basotho to create change and move development forward. We have committed our technology, products, and impassioned staff to changing lives. Through our foundation programs, we aim to tackle these pressing issues, investing in the future of Lesotho. In the area of education, we have partnered with iSchool, originating in Zambia and is fast spreading throughout schools in Africa. The interactive learning experience provides for a child-centered learning approach, promoting equity-based active learning. iSchool also helps to bridge the digital gap, introducing ICTs at an early age, helping to transform the education of Basotho for the better. Investing in young minds doesn't end at the school level. We are empowering young entrepreneurs with the Vodacom Innovation Park, a business incubation and acceleration program that is the first of its kind in Lesotho. We believe in the potential for new businesses and industries to broaden Lesotho's economy and create needed jobs. The HIV epidemic has dealt a serious blow on the people of Lesotho. There are 20,000 HIV-positive children between 0 and 14 years old, with only 5,000 on treatment. Investment in education and innovation will not make a difference if 50% of children die before the age of 2 without treatment. Providing quality health services in the mountainous terrain remains a challenge. People must travel long distances, and the cost of transport is often unaffordable to most. The Vodafone Foundation and Vodafone staff all around the world decided to do something about this crisis. Vodacom Lesotho has applied our services and technology to link HIV patients to life-saving treatment. Our text-to-treatment technology using M-Pesa gives patients money for transportation to health facilities. We've developed technology to improve patient tracking and follow-up to ensure continued patient access to care. Together with health workers, Vodacom Lesotho staff has mobilized rural communities to find more new cases of HIV-positive children. We aim to identify over 5,000 HIV-positive children and enable a generation to access life-saving treatment. By improving education, supporting innovation, and ensuring a healthy generation, together we are giving back and changing lives.